My name is Shreya Goyal, and I come from a very small town, Ajmer. Started working in Accenture Strategy just like a month back, and there only from a friend as well as from my brother, I came to know that there is an option where I could actually explore for my eyes. I've been putting my glasses since last almost 25 years. There are a lot of struggles which everybody knows when like a person with a power had to actually go through. So then I had to do something. 10 years back I couldn't really proceed forward because like the doctor had informed me that my thickness of my cornea is very less. Like a month back I got to know from my brother that there is a procedure which he had gone through, which is called a Smile Pro, and that too from this same hospital and the same doctor. So I asked, like, with someone with a specialized cornea structure, is it possible, can I now have like a proper procedure done which could really like suit my specific type of eyes? And I was really very delighted when I got the news that yes, it can be done. So then I met Dr. Sonu here, and he explained me would be like a procedure where I really not have to stop in between like my corporate, because I had like very recently joined a new firm where I can't really compromise on my working hours. It's just like a procedure of 2 days. One eyes can be done in one day, and then the other eyes can be done the other day. And just from the next day itself, there's no like screen related work which I couldn't do like literally just after one day. So that was something that really excited me the most. I went through the procedure. It was just like, as it was said, that after a day I can really see everything. And after 25 years I could actually see everything with the normal eyes.